Okay guys, so today I'm going to explain you how to use anchor tag. So anchor tags are code in Python. So if I open now my page, and now let me show you. So watching here you can see ChatGPT. Now if I open it, so watching it's opening ChatGPT. So how is this magic happening? And it's a real ChatGPT. So the way I am using it is it's easy, but I'm just using Encatek. But it's the real. It's a real, it's a, like, it's a real ChatGPT. 100% real. So I just entered the URL over here, and it searched the URL on that, and it opened that. So there is another tag which is iframe. It's my favorite tag. So if I open iframe, here I should use src. And instead of this, it shouldn't be written anything over here. And here it should be written iframe. Now if I open my page, watching it showing blank. Watching it like this. So it's showing ChatGPT refuse to connect. Or some websites make their websites secure. But if I write Wikipedia or org, wikipedia.org, and now if I open it and load it, well, watching I can see my Wikipedia. I can even make its size bigger by writing a height attribute. If height should equals to, it can be 200 and backspace. And now if I open my code, it's also small, it should be 500. Now let me open my code. You're watching. So this is how I can create it. So you're watching, I can also open this. Even I can search, but here it's opening like this. I can write anything on it. So this is how iframe tag works. So the some websites block them because if anybody can use ChatGPT on their page, so don't need they don't need any API key. So they don't need any API key. So if they don't need any API key, so it would be not too secure or secure. I'm writing the fonts on it. So not secure, not secure. So it's not secure and many other reasons. So it doesn't allow us to do anything. So that doesn't allow us to do anything. To make their website secure so that people don't steal the people's data because they get records so of their coding, so the people can't steal their people's data. So that's why they make it like that. So it's better to use iPhone tags, but they don't allow them. Cause the people could be bad guys. Cause don't know. So that's why they said it like that. So now, as you're watching that, it would be hard for me. Oh no, I can. So how can I iframe YouTube videos? You have shown that people show their YouTube videos on the pages. So how does they show if I write YouTube com? What's this? I don't know. YouTube.com or first correct watching. So now I'm going to show you how does they do. So they use another thing which I am going to show you. So that should be up as you're watching. Probably a video of the driver. Oh my god. Alright. And now you're watching this my channel. Open ad. And I use open HTML class. Push. Part 2. And now you're watching. Today I'm going to explain you how I can use my pages tags. So now how can I open it in the page? So I press share button and here I press M and here if I copy this. So copy that. Now if I copy copy the code. Okay. Now if I would open my this and instead of this instead I'd unwrap. So now you're watching now if I open it and I open my page. Now if you're watching it showing me my hair over here. Now I can throw, paste, post. Captions. Today I'm going to explain you how I can use my. So now you're watching I can do all the controls which I can do. Now if I open this, it would open a new page. Because the other people don't like to this, so that's why I'm using this one now. Now if I don't just tags to so they can watching you can use this like this. And this is how you can use it. So now I would explain you how to create titles in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.